Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents in PDF. Navigating digital paperwork can often feel daunting, but signing PDF documents electronically is a straightforward process that will save you considerable time. This method eliminates the need for printing, signing by hand, and then scanning, streamlining your workflow efficiently. You can complete important paperwork from virtually anywhere, at any time, with just a few clicks. Embrace this modern approach to document management for greater convenience. Selecting the right tool for signing your PDF documents is the first crucial step. Many excellent options exist, ranging from comprehensive desktop applications to quick, browser-based solutions. Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, for instance, is widely used and provides reliable signing features at no cost. Additionally, platforms like Apple's Preview application on Mac OS offer seamless, integrated signing capabilities. Consider the frequency of your signing needs and your operating system when making your choice. Once you have your chosen software open, creating your actual signature is quite simple. Most applications provide 3 primary methods to generate your digital mark. You can type your name, and the software will automatically convert it into a neat, professional-looking signature. Alternatively, for a more personal touch, you can draw your signature using a mouse or trackpad, which takes only a few seconds to perfect. Finally, uploading an image of your handwritten signature is also a very popular and convenient choice. With your signature created and ready, the next step is to apply it directly to your document. This process is very intuitive. Simply click on the signature tool and then click on the area of the PDF where you want your signature to appear. Most programs allow you to easily resize and reposition the signature, ensuring it fits perfectly within the designated signature line or space. Once you are satisfied with its placement, save the document to finalize the changes and secure your signed file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.